Ano tayo dito? Ano masabi mo dito?
Nice, nice. I thought before I came here that I'm not looking down, but I mean, I was expected a lot. The Kia is so very nice, but I'm not saying that it's not nice, but I'm not satisfied in comparing to other Mazda we've been in. So that's enough. As of now, I don't know. Thank you guys for watching.